Etsy. How to add a new listing after opening an Etsy shop. Open Etsy.com. After that, click on Shop Manager on this house. Click on Shop Manager. After that, Shop Manager. Click on Listings. Click on Listings. After that, right corner, click on Add a Listing. Click Add a Listing. Fill out all in this listing. Fill out all in these listings. Click that you need. If you have any questions about this, write under this video. I will make a step-by-step video tutorial about this. And for example, guys, you need be careful with category, because due to this category, it will be text on your listings. And fill new listing and click publish. That's all, guys. If you need help on Etsy, download my ebooks 95 mistakes on Etsy, help make you fast audit of your Etsy shop, and Etsy SEO for beginners, help promote your Etsy shop on Etsy without paid ads. If you have any questions about Etsy, Pinterest, write under this video. I will help you. With you, Svetlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe.